It's a flatbed, so they load the stuff on with a forklift, and you have to throw the straps around it and you tighten them up. You make sure they're tight, so the load will be secure and everything. You're in and out, not just sitting in the truck. When you get to where you need to go, you have to strap it up, and then when you're done, take the straps off. It's not a lot of work, and you're back in the truck after that, in the AC or whatever. But yeah, so it's not manual labor or anything like that. Just rolling the straps up and tightening them up. When I first get to the yard, I just do my pre-trip and everything. Usually I was connected to the flatbed already. I would head out, pick up the load. Once they load me up, strap everything, make sure it's tight, and then I would have to, before I leave, they have to come out and check the load, and get all your paperwork and everything. Head back to where I started from, take the straps off, and there would usually be forklift drivers. They would come, unload everything, and roll the straps back up and do it all over again.